the earth is warming constantly. Now, this can have serious effects on the global climate. Now, and just like this boy, even our earth is facing high temperatures. Now, just like our blood report tells us the real cause of our high temperature, similarly, Earth's report is out too. Now, why is the Earth warming up so rapidly? Let us see. So, the biggest reason for global warming is human activities. So, you see, the biggest and the foremost reason for global warming is human activities. Now, what kind of human activities can cause global warming? Well, increasing use of fossil fuels is a major reason for global warming. So, increasing use of fossil fuels means increased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now, what do these greenhouse gases do? Well, they warm up the Earth's surface. So, as we use more and more fossil fuels, well, we add more and more greenhouse gas to the atmosphere. And as a result, we are facing global warming. Now, apart from that, deforestation is another major human activity that is causing global warming. So, deforestation means decreased amount of trees, and that means lesser natural air filtration. Why is there lesser natural air filtration? Because trees are our natural air filters. So, decreasing amount of trees means lesser air filtration, and as a result, we face global warming. Now, human activities are filling the air with more and more greenhouse gases, resulting in alarming changes in the climate. So, you see, human activities are a very major reason for increasing amount of greenhouse gases, which results in global warming. So, can you tell me, human activities are the major reason for global warming? Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Various human activities are the major reason for global warming. Now, how can we really control this thing? So, we know that human activities are the major reason for global warming. So, what can we do to reduce this effect? Well, the first and foremost thing which we can do is we can decrease the use of fossil fuels. So, we need to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the air. And how can we do that? By decreasing the use of fossil fuels. So, when we decrease the use of fossil fuels such as coal, petrol, and natural gas, we are ensuring that less amount of greenhouse gases are released into the air. And so, what are the alternatives? Well, instead of coal, petrol, and natural gas, we should prefer using other sources of energy such as wind, bioenergy, hydroenergy, and solar energy. So, you see, instead of using coal, petrol, and natural gas, we should use solar, wind, bio, and hydro energy. Apart from that, we should plant more trees that purify the air and decrease the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So, as I had mentioned, trees are our natural air filters. So, when we plant more trees, we are ensuring purification of the air, and which would result in decreased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So, reducing deforestation is a very important step in ensuring that we are decreasing global warming. So, another important thing which we need to notice is that local events can cause global impact. So, you see, while all the countries in the world are trying to reduce global warming or trying to ensure that the air is pure and atmosphere has less greenhouse gases, even if one country is not following this process and releasing greenhouse gases, well, that can add enough greenhouse gases so that all the countries in the world will suffer, because atmosphere is common to us. So if it is getting polluted or if greenhouse gases are being added by one country, that will result in suffering of the entire earth. So it is very important that all of us together make an effort to reduce global warming. So local events can cause global impact. So it's very important that in our local area there are no such events happening which can contribute to global warming. And also, as I mentioned, air is common to all of us. So polluting the air at one place will affect the entire earth. So we should be very careful not to release harmful greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, because our wrong actions may cause everybody on the earth to suffer. So when we talk about global warming, it is a serious danger for our environment at present. And human activities such as use of fossil fuels and deforestation are the major causes of global warming. So use of green energy sources and reducing deforestation are the immediate measures to control global warming. So it is very important that we use green energy sources and we reduce deforestation so that we are able to make an environment which is healthy and livable for all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.